ScrollView. Hello everyone. This is the video that we're going to talk about ScrollView. So we use ScrollView when the components do not all fit on the screen. ScrollView creates a scroll bar so that we can scroll the screen from top to bottom, from left to right. It's very easy to use, so I just want to show you how Android Studio makes it pretty quickly. So I've got a project here, and before I start, I want to show you what it looks like when we finish. So you can see here that there are 8 buttons in the application. They don't all fit on the screen. And there's a scroll bar on the right side of the screen. And the user can scroll top down. And let's see how we can do this. So in the main activity XML file, there's a constraint layout. And I'll delete the constraint layout and write ScrollView. Okay, so now I've got ScrollView. But ScrollView doesn't have a scroll bar right now because when the components don't fit on the screen, it automatically writes in a scroll bar. So the most important thing here is ScrollView can have just one child. So that means you cannot add more than one component to it. And because of this, we'll need to add another layout under the ScrollView. So I can add other components in the new layout. And for that, I will add a linear layout under ScrollView. And then I will add the other components into this linear layout. So I'll add a button in linear layout. I will change width and height of the button to 150 dp. And also I'll change the text of the button to button number 1. And I'll change the gravity of the linear layout to the center. Now that's done. I'll copy this button and paste it 3 times. And now I have 4 buttons. So I'll change the names and IDs because, of course, each ID should be unique. I will run my application in this state. Okay, so you can see here that there is no scroll bar because 4 buttons fit on the screen. So even when we have scroll view, if the components fit on the screen, scroll bar doesn't appear. So let's just add a couple more buttons and run it again. Now we have a scroll bar, and we can scroll the screen from top to bottom. So this is a vertical scroll view. Can we do it horizontally? So first, I'll just change the orientation of the linear layout, and let's make it horizontal. Okay, so now the buttons are shown horizontally on the screen. I will run my application this way, and let's see, it doesn't work, or does it? Let's change the orientation of the linear layout, and you see, no, it's not working. So what do we do? So let's add horizontal scroll between scroll view and linear, and it's width and height can be wrap content. And I'll just put linear layout between these two XML tags. And I'll cut this from here and paste it under linear layout. And let's run it again. There it goes. It's working horizontally now. So you can use ScrollView on your application to design friendly pages. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.